We're having a family gathering this weekend, so we're making a large portion of chicken molaga Peratal. Almost all Malaysian Indian households, we grow this thing called moringa, and we particularly love the drumsticks, these things right here. They're sweet and delicious. We're cooking 3 chickens, so it's a large portion, so naturally a large stove, a large pot. Dry spices go in the oil, and we're adding onions. Saute that for a few minutes. Hello to my dog Ringo. There's a task to go and look for curry leaves. Thank God we have some. Add the curry leaves and then add some ginger garlic paste and saute until the raw smell of the onion, garlic and ginger is gone. Say hello to my other dog, Rainy. Okay, so these are 3 here. We have 3 chickens right here. Add about, I think I cut about 5 to 6 potatoes and some salt, turmeric, and a lot of chili powder, like even more than what you see here, because we added even more. I mean, look at this. This is like, what, half a packet of chili powder? Simmer this for around 5 minutes and then add in about 2 to 3 cups of water. Give that a good mix and let everything simmer for a bit. If you'd like, you can add in some chicken liver as well. And here we have the drumsticks. The skin has been slightly scraped. They are sliced into finger-sized bits and the dish is done. You can serve this dish with rasam. Nice and hot rasam. First, time to serve grandma. She likes to eat in the living room watching Tamil movies, old Tamil movies. Look at how she's enjoying her time. And for me, I like my rasam to banjir the plate, you know. And now, leave me alone. I want to eat in peace.